from thieves, he arranged these 6 chambers. Meanwhile, in 1799, Tipu Sultan died, and there were no barriers to the happiness of Martanda Varma. He thought to dedicate the entire treasure to the god. Most powerful wizards are at Kerala in our country. With their help, the doors of chamber B was closed securely by using Nagabandham. Nobody knows that the treasure is locked there till 150 years. Even no one knows what is there inside the chamber B. According to Talapatras, which are palm leaf manuscripts, they are saying that the treasure in chamber B will be 5 times more than what was found till now. It means treasure of worth rupees 50 lakh crores. But do you know why that door is not opening? It was said that to calculate the bad first and then good. If we think in another way, there may be anything like an atom bomb, bioweapon, a deadly poison present at the neck of Lord Shiva. If we take it out, it will be a danger to everyone. As a warning, they may have used the Nagabandham. Another thing is, if anyone tries to open the door, they will be cursed to death. T.P. Sundararajan, who filed a case in the Supreme Court, died within a week after opening the chamber A. This made the belief very strong. 100 years ago, when Kerala state undergoing crisis, the higher officials tried to open the door. At that time, they were attacked by cobras. They turned back to save their lives. It seems strange sounds were heard from the sea at the same time. In fact, the temple is located at a distance of 3.5 kilometers from the sea. It seems the sounds made by the waves of sea and hissing of snakes are to be heard. With this, many are saying that if we open that door, it leads to tsunami and the world may end up. Among those 6 chambers, the chamber B is very nearer to the idol of God. It may not be known that the chamber may contain the most sacred things of God. Priests who are working there are saying that the god may have his presence inside there. First, the Nagabandham must be extricated in order to know what is there inside. What the saints are saying is Nagabandham will be a Garuda mantra, which is just like a code language. If Garuda mantra is chanted in the same way, the door can be automatically opened. But at present, there is no sacred and powerful Siddha Purushas who could extricate the Nagabandham. There are thousands of palm leaf manuscripts regarding the history of this temple. There is nothing written in them like opening the door leads to the termination of the world. But the rumors were created just to scare the people and keep them away from the treasure. Will anyone stay calm if they say about the treasure worth lakhs of crore rupees, so please keep away from this? If they warn that if you open this door, the entire world will end up, including you, no one dares to open it. Same principle was used by Martanda Varma. Only the treasure will be there in the chamber, but not the tsunami. People never leave even a rupee if they found anywhere. Then how can they leave the treasure of worth trillions? They definitely will open the door using any modern technology. Only then we could know how much treasure is there inside. In my point of view, the chambers B, G, H are opened or not, it is secondary. It will be good if the treasure is used for developing the country by converting it into the currency. But our people offer food to invisible God, even if they see a hungry human. They surely may not agree to convert that treasure into currency. The parents who are not able to pay the dowry to perform marriage of their aged daughter, students whoever unable to study even though they are well talented, the poor people who eat only, orphans begging at traffic signals who do not know their parents. In our country, this kind of people is in my opinion is the treasure of God is not as great as their sufferings.